Hi folks, welcome to the channel, and to the subscribers, to the 10 subscribers of the channel, welcome back. In this video, as you have seen in title, we'll be discussing or we'll be learning on how to design shine-on message cards using the Canva tool. If you are not a graphic designer and is struggling to design designs for shine-on POD, print on demand, then this video is for you. Let's admit that most of us are not graphical designers. Most of us get intimidated by the terms like Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, etc. Most of us can't afford to buy an expensive software like Adobe Photoshop. So if that's the case, then this video is for you. So through this video, we learn together on how to design message cards using the Canva tool. So when it comes to Canva, Canva offers two options, Canva Free and Canva Pro. So you can choose either of them. I'm not going to pressurize on that. However, as Canva Pro, as the name indicates, is having some advantages over Canva Free. So in Canva Pro, you are having the provision to remove background. You are having access to more templates. You are having access to more graphical elements. Canva is offering a 14-day free trial to Canva Pro version. So you can check out the link in the description. You can sign up and get the 14-day free trial. So one tentative advantage you can think of using Canva is easy, a lot easier than Adobe Photoshop or GIMP, etc. Another advantage with using the Canva tool is that it takes you to the safe side. Since you are relying on Canva tool, you are relying on the assets and fonts offered by Canva. So thus, you are not doing any copyright violations. You are not using any fonts or any background images or any graphical elements which violates copyrights. So that is one advantage that comes with Canva. Towards the end of the video, I am providing link to 5 free background templates that you can use for Shine On message cards. So kindly check out that too. So before we start, as usual, let's roll on the intro. To start designing, let's sign up on Canva. You can use my affiliate link hustlematch.com/go/canva or just hit canva.com. As aforementioned, there are few advantages for Canva Pro. Through Canva Pro, you will get access to more premium templates. You can save the template and share to others. Canva Pro membership can be shared like Netflix, so feel free to share with your friends and colleagues if you are signing up. I don't want to entice you into using Canva Pro. Personally, I believe Canva free option should suffice for our purpose. In my case, I'm going to opt for the Pro version. I'll go for the Pro free trial, and after 14 days, if I don't see the necessity, I will downgrade the plan to Canva free. Sign up process is easy. In my case, I signed up using Google account. Post that I had to provide the credit card details. Once done, you will be logged in into the Canva dashboard. Now you are ready to design. I hope you are able to create the account and is now logged into Canva. The recommended resolution for Shine On message card is 1000 pixels into 1000 pixels. Let's create a canvas of that size. For that, click on the custom size button which you can find on the top right of the window. Enter 1000 pixels as width as well as height. Now click on the create new design button. Now you will be taken to the canvas now. On the left side, you can see the toolbar. Here you can find the templates, graphical elements, text, and everything. All this can be drag and dropped to your canvas. To be honest, from this point, you can actually explore and learn yourself by just trying out the different things you are seeing on the screen right now. Before we proceed to design, let's first understand the message card template. This template is provided by ShineOn. You can download it from their repository. As seen on the template, you need to try limiting your text content inside this green box. In the ShineOn factory, these message cards are cut manually. I don't think they rely on machines for a precise cut. Hence, it is likely that the edges of the card can get cut off. Hence, we shouldn't place the text content close to the border of the design. We are back to the Canva window now. On the right side, you can find your canvas. You can pick what you want from left side, drag and drop it to your canvas. First, let's see how we can use an existing template and create a message card design. I call this as the lazy method. Personally, I prefer this method. All it requires is to choose a template, play around with the position of the elements inside the template, change the text content, your design is ready. Let's see this with an example. Since we are nearing Christmas season, let's choose a Christmas template. Under template section, search for Christmas. You will get hundreds of templates here. If you hover on these templates,
you will understand whether it is available for free or whether it is only available for the pro version. For example, this one is free, this one is free, this one is free, a lot are free, this one is pro. Let's choose this template, just drag and drop it to the canvas. Alternatively, you can just click on the template, it will get added to your empty canvas. Let's just retain the text Merry Christmas. Now, you would have seen many message card designs. Most of them follow the same pattern. The salutation, like to my wife, to our grandson, etc., will be placed on the top of the message card. The actual message will be placed at the bottom of the card. I am also going to follow the same pattern here. But feel free to break the norm. You can place the text wherever you want. It is just that the message should be easily readable. Let's just resize the word Christmas and move the Merry Christmas to top. Now we need to add the message. For this, click on text. Here too, you are provided multiple options. For now, let's add a little bit of body text. By default, the text is appearing in black. Let's change the text content first. In this video, I am not going to explain on how to write a message. For now, let's use this text. Let's change the color to white so that it is readable. You can change the font, you can change the font style, you can change the font size, etc. Let's also add a tail end text, something like a signature text. For this, let's rely on a script font. Let's type in love, comma, your husband. Move around the text content, change the font size, change the font until you are satisfied with the overall design. Recall on how the message card template was looking. So keep that in mind. So always leave some space between the text and the nearest border. Last step is to download the image. If required, you can increase the resolution before download. Chinon recommends 1000 pixel into 1000 pixel as the minimum resolution. Just ensure your design is a square, meaning width and height should be of equal size. Let's download it as a PNG. As a last step, what I would like to do is to upload the PNG to the Chinon solution. For time being, let's choose Love Note Necklace. Upload the design and see the mockup. If the mockup is good, then you can finalize the design. Else, go back to Canva, do the necessary tweaks. Here the words Merry Christmas is contained properly inside the chain. Here you see the letter H is overlapped by the star graphic element. So go back to Canva, reposition the message. You get the idea, right? It's always a to and fro process. Toggle between Chinon and Canva till the mockup feels good. Shouldn't compromise on the readability. As Chinon gurus tell, message is the key. Whether you are selling through FB ads, Etsy or Amazon, the customer should be able to read the message. It is a message that drives the sale. Let's first create a blank canvas. Since we already created a message card under recent, you can find the 1000 pixel into 1000 pixel size. Click on that, it will open a blank canvas. Now instead of a template, you can go to the background, select a color or choose an image as background. Let's pick violet. I will speed up the video and will show you the process of adding text. For top text, let's add a heading. Let's type in to my girlfriend. Let us also add a message at bottom. When you try to rearrange the text element or any other element, you will be seeing small red lines appearing. Seek the help of these red lines to align objects, text, everything to the center. Now you can add some shapes to a design. For example, let's add a heart shape. For this, under elements, search for heart. Let's select this. Here, if you notice, the first option is edit image. To the left side of the edit image button, there is no icon. It means you can't change the color of this particular element. Let me add another heart shape and show you. See, in this particular case, here you can see the icon. It means you can change the color of the heart. Another cool feature Canva recently released is the draw tool. To use this, click on more, scroll down and find draw beta. It's a beta version of the tool. Click on it. Now using this pen, you can draw your own shape. For example, let's draw a line underneath I love you forever. At the moment we are using violet color as the background. You can also change the background by selecting an image from the background section. Under flowers, you can find a lot of interesting templates or images. This is largely used by the Chinon community. Now, as you can see, the text have become less legible. It's not clear to read. Instead of changing the background, what you can do is you can actually make the background more transparent. Sometimes your customer can demand some customizations on top of your design. If you are offering customization, aka personalization, first thing you need to ensure is at the Chinon product page, you need to enable the art swapper. Now let's say your client is asking to add his wife's name on the design. In Canva, you can find your designs saved. Select your design from the list. Just add wife's name. If you want, you can offer further personalization. Let's say your customer provides you a handwritten note. Maybe he would have written a note, I love you on a white paper. He would have taken a snap of it and shared it with you. You can even add that to your design. Go to upload section, upload the image sent by your customer, edit image and click on background removal. Voila. After a few seconds, you will have just the scribbling. You can edit the contrast, brightness and make it blend with the other text content. Your design is ready. You can download it and feed it to the Shine-On. Before I conclude the video, I would like to give you 5 free discs. First one is a completely black dark theme. This is having a nice golden border. Second one is a similar version, but it is having interlocked hearts at the end. This can be apt for Valentine's Day, wedding anniversary. Third one is a simple Christmas theme message cards. Next one is USA theme. So this you can use for USA specific events. Last one is a simple version. The center is a white part and it's having a black border and mixed with golden color. So next obvious question will be how you can use this. Go to Canva, create a canvas, go to the upload section. You can upload this and drag it to your canvas, and you can use this as the background for your designs.
So I hope I was able to convince you that Canva tool is easy and you are now more confident on designing. So if you still have any doubts regarding using the tool, please feel free to comment below and I will try to help you. And don't forget to check out the link in the description where you can access the 5 free templates which you can use for your designs. That's it for this video. See you in the next video if you subscribe.